No brains. If you are feeling any of these things, whether it be hungover, sick, any kinds of unwell, or you know, you just feel like you look like trash, this video may be for you. If you want to see me go from this to what you saw in the thumbnail, then you should keep watching. Ugh. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I guess first things first, I'll take these off. If you watched my most recent vlog, then you know that I've been unwell for the last week, and I'm actually going to put this on first. This is the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. I'm just going to put this on so this has time to do its thing. Yeah, so I've been under the weather for the last week now. I was taking steroids, like I said, and I was also prescribed an antibiotic that I started taking a few days ago. So hopefully that kicks everything out of my system, but right now I'm still feeling pretty shitty. So on that note, this video is all about me making myself look alive. We're gonna do a 0 to 100 real quick kind of thing, except not real quick, just in 2 hours maybe. I don't know. I am going to, hi Boog, hey Boog. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, making myself look alive, chit-chatting you through it. My voice is in and out recently, so I am apologizing ahead of time if I start sounding like a teenage boy going through puberty. So yeah, starting with my eyes, I'm trying to see if I have any inspo pics on my phone anywhere that I want to do now. But I got two palettes in front of me that I want to use just because I haven't used them in a while. One is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, this lovely one right here, and the Morphe 15N palette. I don't want to do like a recreating like a look I've already done, but I'm also just trying to do something glam. This is the first makeup tutorial that I'm posting in a while. As I said in one of my last vlogs, again, because that's all I've been posting, I haven't really been feeling inspired. I haven't been able to pull any inspiration. I don't get like that seasonal inspiration. I'm in Florida, Central Florida for that matter, and it's hot as hell all the time in this state. There's not really fall, winter. Spring is just like your allergies suck all the time, and it's still hot. So as far as being inspired goes, I don't like the seasonal stuff. Like, yes, fall's coming, yes, sweater weather, but not really like, you know, trying to get in the spirit of things. Like Halloween's one thing. I'm really stressed out about Halloween. I'm trying to get stuff together for that I can film for you guys this month, the next couple weeks. So yeah, just want to let you know, guys know where I am. So that's why I'm struggling a little bit to get myself together right now. Sophie Rafferty Makeup posted a photo that I found on Pinterest, and insert here. I think I'm going to try to recreate this. It's really bold and different, and I really, really like it. So I'm going to be going back and forth using these two palettes to recreate it. I really like it. I really like the eye look. I probably won't do it as dramatic or bold, but who knows? We'll find out in just a few minutes. So I'm going to zoom you guys in on my eyes real quick, and we're going to get started. If I die today, this will be the last footage anyone has of me, So the usual, priming my eyes, heart-shaped tape, nothing. Actually, I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, just right here, in the shade NC30. Please hold. Okay, sorry, wanted to set up a time-lapse video on my phone. I don't know how this is going to work. This could fail miserably, but we're going to try it. Alright, so I'm going to take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC30, and I'm going to pump this, where's that little plate? I've got like a little metal plate here I got on Amazon. I'm just going to pump a little bit of this onto there, and then take my beauty blender and dab it onto my eye. I really like this because it's really, really full coverage, and it covers everything really nicely. I also look like a crazy person for a second, but you know, it's fine. I'm not going to set it. I am going to start though. So I am going to take Eden from the Huda Beauty palette. This color right here. I got pretty nails to show you guys the things with now. This color right here. And I'm going to take a Morphe, I think this is the B58 brush, and put this in the upper crease. Fan this out pretty far. And then exact same thing on the other side. I remember when I first bought this palette and I was super excited to use it. I just remember being really excited about the colors in it, and a lot of people were giving it flack, and I just really love it. I really, really love it. I think it blends out really well. I personally didn't like the first one she had, the rose gold one, I think. I didn't really like it. It looked a lot like, I think, the Modern Renaissance palette, and I had already had that one for a while, so I was like, I don't need both of these. Okay, now that that's down, I'm going to go in with Amber, this shade right here, and using the same brush, I'm going to just layer this right underneath. I don't think this is really like a fall look or a summer look. I think this is just a do whatever the fuck you want look. I really hope this time-lapse video comes out well because I'd love to put this on my IG. IGTV. Alright, now that that's layered down, I'm going to go back in with Eden and blend things out a little bit. I don't want that light pink to get lost. Okay. I'm going to take this Morphe M433 brush, and I think I'm going to go in with Saffron, this deeper red. It's a little bit less orangey, and put this towards the outer edge of my eye and deepen up this outside area. So now I definitely think I'm going to go in with Blazing, this orange shade in the Huda God, I can't even talk. Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to go in with Blazing. I'm going to take this on that first fluffy brush. I think this is my B58. And we're going to use this kind of between where we had Amber and Eden. Make this a little bit more fiery, I guess you could say. Probably bring it right to where the tail of my brow ends. Yeah! I like that. Now I think, I don't know if I want to do a cut crease. I might want to cut crease this. I think I want to cut crease it. Yeah, we're going to cut crease it. I'm going to still use my MAC Pro Longwear concealer. Cool. Coming out well. I'm just going to take my beauty blender and get some of this excess off. This is another Morphe brush. I have no idea what this is. I'm just going to use it to clean up and kind of smoosh this out. Alright, now for the other eye. I think that looks pretty damn good. Okay, great. Now, I'm going to go in with Amethyst, this purple color, and then I'm just going to take Amethyst for now. Where's a flat brush I want to use? I'm going to go in with my R42 from Morphe. It's just a really flat brush that I can just pat shadow onto. And I'm just going to do this. Cover that concealer with it. And I'm not going to do this too heavily because I'm going to go over it with another color. Okay, I'm going to make sure this is kind of starting to get blended together because I'm probably going to put like a darker purple on the outside. Yeah, it's honestly just a base color. But now I'm going to go in with Twilight, this shimmery purple right here. And for this shade, if I remember correctly, I'm going to spray it with, so people say you can use setting spray, not just Fix Plus or eye drops, but I don't have eye drops. So I'm trying out Fix Plus. There we go. Or not Fix Plus, my setting spray. Look at that. Damn. Okay. Yep. Hell yeah. Damn. That's really pretty. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. Okay, great. So, now that that is done, I'm going to take my nose is so stuffy. What is this? My R41 brush. This is the little pencil brush. I'm going to take Amethyst and tap it on the edge here. I'm going to blend this out a little bit. And then I think I'm going to go in with the Morphe 15N palette. We're going to take Scene, this really deep purple right here. And then I think I'm going to also take, what is that? Excuse Me? Excuse me? This color right here. And we're going to use the same R41 brush and just deepen up right here. What was I doing? Oh, I'm taking my R39 brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to blend it all in together. I'm not trying to muddy it up, this outer area where it's so orange. There's also kind of a thing that I have noticed in palettes is how, when using different palettes, how they blend together. Because sometimes products don't work well together, and that's just the facts of makeup sometimes. That's why we take our time. All right, I like that. But where's my fluffy brush? I'm gonna take Blazing again and diffuse out here. And then I'm gonna take Saffron again and also diffuse out the edges. We're just pretty much going back in with all those colors we started with and blending out the darker colors so that it all blends together nicely. I want all of these colors to play really nicely. And I didn't actually go in with Excuse Me. I didn't think I needed to. Now I'll go in with Eden and dust this over kind of just the outer area. Okay. So I think that's pretty good. I am going to take my NYX Epic Ink Liner and I'm going to define right here. Just do some basic liner because I'm gonna put on lashes later. All right, that's good. That's good. That's good. So, well, it's still kind of damp. I'm gonna tap, see if this even works. Not really. I just tapped Scene on that outer corner, but I don't think it really did anything. So, oh well. Now we're gonna move on to our faces. So I'm gonna zoom you out a little bit. Okay, great. So I am now going to go in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas. I did just get a new one of these, so I've only had 2 little lines in it. Use a little scooper, get it on my fingers, rub it together, and put it on my face. I'm just going to take a little bit more of this and put it on my forehead. Yeah! Second primer I'm going to take is the Fenty Instant Retouch Pro Filter Primer. I'm going to take 1 pump and put it on my forehead, here, on my chin. And then, yes, I'm using 3 primers on my face. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. They all serve different purposes, guys, I swear. So this, I focus mostly on my smile lines and then my pores here. Because I've had a little forehead acne, I'm gonna pop it right here, even though it doesn't feel like it, but that could be because I have 3 layers of primer on, and then on my chin. So, I'm really, really trying to like the DiorSkin Forever Foundation. This lasted me at Warped Tour. I'm gonna try this again today and see if it works for me, if I like it. And I'm gonna use this. I'm literally just gonna pump this on my face. And then we go in with my Morphe sponge and just pounce this out. Because it's really full coverage and I really like that. And I don't know what it is. I don't. Maybe it's when you're like sweating your ass off, it only stays on. I don't know. But I really want to like it. But I don't know, maybe we're just not meant to be. I also really want to like it because I spent like $65 on this shit. So I need to get my Botox redone. My forehead lines are coming back. I'm going to conceal my face with my Tarte Shape Tape. It's all under here. I need to get a new concealer, honestly. I really want to try the Born This Way one from Too Faced. I really want to try that concealer real bad. And then I'm going to take Saffron from the Huda Beauty palette and blend all up under here. Then I'm going to take my B38, whatever, B58, whatever this is. I'm going to go in with Blazing, that orange color. Sorry about that. I lost some footage, guys, but I'm pretty much just going back in with the colors from before and blending everything out and finishing up my under eye. Also blended out all of my concealer on my forehead, under eyes, and on my nose. Blend the rest of this out. That's good to me. I'm going to take my This is a new translucent setting powder that I've been using, and it is the Hourglass Veil setting powder. When you open it, I actually can't show, oh I can, there's a little H there. So I'm going to now bake under my eyes and on the side of my nose. And I'm gonna set my chin area with that. Before I set my entire face, what I am gonna do is I'm gonna take my highlighter and I'm gonna highlight my face first, because recently I just feel like when I have powder down, it dulls my highlight for whatever reason. And I don't like a muddy highlight. I don't think anyone likes a muddy highlight. So I'm just gonna put this down first and then I'll set the rest of my face. I'm going to actually finish up the rest of my face and then come back on camera and show you guys the finished look. Now that I think about it, since I don't have that much life left on my memory card and my battery, that is what I'm going to do. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so this completes this look. I did pop on false lashes like I said earlier. I did go in with the Artist Couture Coco Bling highlight in the inner corner here. I'm very stuffy now. But other than that, these are colored Raine diamond lashes, I believe they're called. And this is just my usual go-to lip, my NYX Mahogany lip liner and my NYX liquid lipstick, lingerie liquid lipstick push-up. And yeah, that's really it. Everything else I did on my face will be linked down below. I look much more alive than I did earlier. Alright, well anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and me going from 0 to 100. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're over there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, especially if you want to see more videos like this. I will definitely be filming more now. I feel a little bit better about not being inspired, and now I do feel a little bit more inspired. So stay tuned for more videos from me, guys. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next video.